You don't need a vacation. You don't need a pill. You don't even need silence. You just need 2 minutes. And your own breath, because the secret to calming your mind, slowing your heart, and rewiring your stress response has been with you the entire time. And it starts now. But before we dive in, pause and hit subscribe. If natural health hacks like this fascinate you, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get something straight. Stress is not just in your head. It's chemical, it's physical. It changes your digestion, immunity, blood pressure, even memory. And over time, it accelerates aging, it invites disease, and it shuts down your body's ability to heal. But here's what most people don't realize. You can reverse it on demand. Meet the 2-4-6 breathing trick. Rooted in ancient practices, validated by modern neuroscience, and so simple, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Here's how it works. Inhale for 2 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds, that's it. And yes, it sounds too simple to work. But within 90 seconds, your vagus nerve is activated. That's the switch that turns on your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for calm, clarity, and control. You move from fight or flight to rest and repair. Let's walk through it together. Right now, breathe in. 1, 2. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale for 2, hold for 4. Exhale for 6. As you do this, your heart rate slows. Your blood pressure drops. Cortisol levels begin to lower. And the noise in your mind? It gets quiet. Still with me? If you haven't subscribed yet, take a deep breath and tap that button, because the next 90 seconds could change your daily life. Now here's the science behind why this works so fast. The extended exhale sends a message to your brain. You are safe. The breath hold between inhale and exhale builds resilience to stressors, like weightlifting for your nervous system. And repeating this pattern trains your heart to become more variable, a sign of strong cardiovascular health. The result? Your body doesn't just calm down. It starts to heal. Use this breathing trick before a stressful meeting, in traffic or during a delay, before bed for better sleep, during an anxiety spike, or first thing in the morning to set your tone for the day. Just 2 minutes. Just your breath. No tools, no cost, no noise. And the best part, the more you practice, the faster it works. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Stack it. Pair this breathing with grounding your feet, closing your eyes, or adding calming words like, inhale peace, hold strength, exhale tension. You're not just lowering stress. You're retraining your entire nervous system. And in a world constantly demanding your attention, your calm becomes your power. Let's recap. Inhale for 2, hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Repeat for 2 minutes anywhere, anytime. And if you want to go further, start each day with this trick, before your phone, before the coffee, before anything else, just 2 minutes. And watch how your entire day feels different. More grounded. Remember, it's not about escaping stress. It's about mastering your response to it. And sometimes, the most powerful medicine is something as simple as your next breath. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-body health tricks that actually work. You don't need more noise. You just need to breathe smarter. Your body already knows how, now you do too.